Welcome to part 4 of getting started with smart connections. In this session, we'll explore smart connections search rules, a powerful feature for advanced family positioning. If you've missed any of the previous videos, especially part 3, I highly recommend watching them to get the most out of this one. So far, we've discussed positioning families using layout and array settings to define precise distances from the host's edges. Now, we'll build on that by learning how search rules enhance family placement under specific conditions. Search rules detect element connections in a project and place user-defined families accordingly. For example, they can apply specific loops and cuts for various L or T wall connections. Place inserts or corbels at beam column intersections. The rules ensure they are placed correctly. As you can see, each column contains multiple corbels. Corbel placement for sloping double T slabs positioning becomes more efficient and precise using search rules. There are many scenarios where search rules come in handy. You can always download the sample file to explore more examples. When using the search rules, we first choose the desired family, which can only be point-based. Next, we select the face where the families will be positioned, once a connection is detected according to the defined rule. After we define the condition for placing the family, each rule corresponds to certain categories. Some categories contain more rules, while others have fewer. Although categories, like curtain panels or line-based generic models, don't have any search rules available. When applying search rules, you'll notice several options. Search scope specify if elements should be detected from the current project, linked projects, or both. If you'd like your family to be assigned when a specific element from your chosen category appears. To specify which element to search for, you can use a selection from family and type to select a particular family. Alternatively, to narrow your search further, you can add an additional filter to differentiate elements by instance. There are several ways to manage cut families, using one of the selection from cut type list. I'll cover a few of the key methods. How a family with a cut affects the host and surrounding elements. For this to work, the applied family must include a void that creates the cut. The cut with voids when loaded option must also be enabled. Continuing with the list of cut types, first selection, cut connected element will cut the element that you are searching for. Cut detail will adjust the placed family based on the geometry of the searched structural framing or any other family. Using cut connected element host, the host of the family being searched for will be cut. For example, the host for structural connection families is a double T slab. Following this rule, once the structural plate is detected, its host will be cut accordingly. Cut host and connected element with nested detail solids will cut host and connected element by the solids of the nested family. According to the rule, the nested solids within the family create a cut. To summarize the cut type list, these are the primary cut type functions. The remaining rules are straightforward. Just so you know, Smart Connections offers unique methods to control both what and how elements are cut. Thank you for watching this introductory video on the Smart Connection search rules. In the next section, we will cover the key functions of search rules.